How is a 16-year-old treated on set?
Oh yeah, everyone's very lovely.
हाँ
Yeah, I love everyone.
एक तो मायरी या परवरिश जैसा सेट है जहाँ पे you're playing a lead, मगर फिर और भी सेट्स हैं जिसपे you're not a lead character और बड़े बड़े अदाकार हैं आपके इर्द-गिर्द, तो उस पे how is a 16-year-old treated on set?
Basically, everyone's very respectful. Thank God. I've met really good people. Yeah, I've met really good people. Everybody treats me like their little sister, and I love it. I take that princess treatment very happily. I'm like, okay, yeah, I am a little girl. Pamper me, order coffee for me as well. You know, everybody. I think I'm very lucky in this कि मुझे हमेशा बहुत अच्छे cast members मिले. I've always worked with very nice people.
It's a Baby Baji or a Hum Tum or all these dramas.
Yeah, like, Hum Tum में तो it was like purely like I was the little child on that set, everybody pampered. Like मुझे I remember कि there was a day at Hum Tum, I think मेरा आखिरी दिन था या second last day था मेरा, and वो जो कीनो लाइट नहीं होती, that fell on my head.
Ooh.
And everybody was so worried. Everybody was like, "Oh my God, are you okay? Are you?" Everybody was panicking. सबका ऐसे ही लग रहा था कि उनके अपना बच्चा actually hurt हो गया है. I remember Aad Bhai, Ramsha, like everybody, Ramsha ji, everybody was so like, "Oh my God, are you okay? Are you okay?" It was so sweet now that I remember it. You know, I've worked with amazing people, very nice, good at heart, and अच्छे actors और आपके लिए अच्छा सोचने वाले actors. I've been very lucky in that.
So we're working a lot on good energy, right?
Yes.
A lot of that. So you haven't trained to be an actor. पढ़ा तो नहीं है, drama नहीं पढ़ा.
I've not.
You're not trained as an actor. So what kind of movies were you growing up on? But where are your inspirations coming from? I mean, obviously you're not a married person. You've not had a child, but in Mairi ka character ho gaya. Yeah, these are characters that you have not experienced these feelings, you know.
Yeah.
So how are you a method actor? What is your method of like getting into a character?
I think my method of getting into a character, I don't watch movies or shows per se that much. Not that much. Because obviously I'm very occupied with a lot of stuff. Yeah. So I've never been a big fan. What I do when I am thinking of a character is that I try to relate the character to somebody in my actual life. You know, कि oh, this person fits into this.
Right.
You know, when जब आपको एक director character description दे रहे होते हैं, तो दिमाग में अगर एक इंसान आ गया ना, तो उसे पकड़ लो जरा, थोड़ी देर के लिए पकड़ लो, उसको थोड़ा साइड पे रखो, फिर घर जाके सोचना. That's what I do.
Right.
Is that when the character is getting described to me, I think of somebody that I know in real life, और मैं उसको match करती हूँ. Whether it's physically, whether it's internally, their mindset, how they act, and how they sit, and how are they sitting with, like, are they taking up space? Are they not taking up space? Are they shaky?
The way they look?
Yeah, the way they look. And then my one question always in meetings is, what are their parents like? Because I feel like everything stems from your childhood. So I always ask that question. और फिर उसमें मैं अपने दिमाग में कैरेक्टर्स में चेंजेस उस हिसाब से कर रही होती हूँ कि अगर their parents are supportive, their parents are nice, then they are outspoken, well spoken, they sit very nicely, very gracefully, not gracefully per se, but like, you know, they take up space as much as they want to, they're confident, they will speak their mind. But जब parents थोड़े से strict होते हैं, थोड़े से वो होते हैं कि नहीं करो ये, नहीं करो ये, नहीं करो, तो obviously the kid always feels like they're going to be nagged for something. So they will not take that much space. Their shoulders will be a little slouched because they're always getting taunted when they're back at home. So they also feel like, oh, these strangers will also do it. Because if my parents are doing it, then these strangers will also do it. So I always ask how their parents are like. What's their relationship with their parents?
Right.
Or any guardian figure that they have in their life. What's their relationship?
Have your parents ever given you a do's and don'ts की list? कि बेटा जा तो रही हो इस फील्ड में, इन चीजों का तुमने ख्याल रखना है.
नहीं, not like that. My parents are very like
कि बेटा जी रात को लड़कों के फोन ना आए घर. ये वाली बातें.
उन वाले कामों के लिए अभी मैं बहुत छोटी हूँ. तो
नहीं, आजकल 16 साल के बच्चे बहुत तेज हैं.
नहीं, I have no interest in any of that. And my parents know me very well. I'm very transparent with my parents. Like मुझे अगर कोई चीज़ bother भी कर रही होती है ना, तो मैं सबसे पहले अपनी अम्मी के पास जाती हूँ. I'm very close with my mom. Like मैं उनसे उन चीज़ों के बारे में बात कर लेती हूँ जो शायद एक मदर और डॉटर के लिए कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो. वेरी क्लोज विद माई मॉम. तो मेरे पेरेंट्स को ना हर चीज़ पता है कि मैं कैसी हूँ, मैं सर्टन सिचुएशंस में कैसे रिएक्ट करूँगी, तो उसके हिसाब से वो लोग मुझे लेके चलते हैं. वो लोग ज़्यादा बर्डनाइज मुझे कभी भी नहीं करते. जैसे आई माई सेल्फ, आई डोंट एवर गो आउट अलोन. आई डोंट फील कंफर्टेबल. लाइक यू नो समटाइम्स लाइक बहुत सारे जब लोग आ जाते हैं ना पिक्चर्स लेने के लिए, तो मुझे पता है मैं कभी कभी ओवरवेल्म हो जाती हूँ. लाइक आई नो समटाइम्स आई एम लाइक, ओ इसके साथ okay wait like sometimes I do get like that. So I always have my sister with me, my brother or my mother or like my dad or some of my friends. My friends are also very good at like you know handling me. So and same vice versa, I know them and I will do my best to cater to their needs. This is how a relationship is built. तो I think मैं भी जानती हूँ मेरी weaknesses, तो मैं भी उसके हिसाब से ही चलती हूँ और मेरे parents भी जानते हैं. But मुझे लगता है कि अगर I'm very grateful for my parents and I will always be very grateful.
Alhamdulillah.
They're the reason why I'm here today. I have a very good relationship with them because I am very transparent with them. मुझे डर नहीं होता कि अगर मेरे माँ बाप को ये पता चल जाए, अगर ये हो जाए, which I feel like is a relief for me.
So no do's or don'ts, no curfews.
No, because I am a very well-mannered child as well. I don't ever like misbehave. I don't do any of that. So my parents don't give me that.
Dream child.
I hope so. I hope my parents can say that. I hope so.
Dream child. अच्छा, let's move to Parvarish now.
Yes.
बहुत ज़बरदस्त ड्रामा है. And you know, once again with Summer. And you know, अभी तो वो romantic track शुरू होने वाला है. You know, यहाँ पे उसको
No spoilers.
नहीं तो नजर आ रहा है. Obviously, हमने teasers भी देखे हैं. और आगे ये भी कहाँ तक चलेगा मुझे नहीं पता. But there's obviously there is an equation. ये दो दोस्त तो बनने वाले हैं. और उनको ये पकड़े भी जाएंगे अगली किस में फ्रेयर हॉल पे जो ये पता नहीं गोलगप्पे खा रहे हैं जो भी कुछ कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about the casting process and you know what's happening with Parvarish. Why, of course, I mean it's something you don't say no to.
Yes.
And you've worked with Meesam Naqvi before,
Yes.
so वो भी एक reason होगी. But just take me through the process.
I think जब मीसम भाई कॉल करते हैं ना आपको किस प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से, तो आपको पता है कि वो अच्छा ही होना है. Because he himself, he does projects जो they are masterpieces, you know, story wise. And then अगर वो स्टोरी इतनी अच्छी नहीं भी होती, वैसे उन्होंने कोई ऐसा ड्रामा किया नहीं है जिसकी स्टोरी अच्छी नहीं है, लेकिन अगर नहीं भी होगी ना तो आई एम श्योर कि मीसम भाई ऐसे हैं कि वो उसको अच्छा बना देंगे. ही इज सो इनक्रेडिबली टैलेंटेड. तो व्हेन मीसम भाई कॉल्ड मी ना, तो उस वक्त थोड़ा डेट्स का इशू हो रहा था ये वो, एंड आई वाज सो पैनिक्ड. आई वाज लाइक नो मीसम भाई, आई वांट टू डू इट बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली मैं जुड़वा कर रही थी, तो उसमें थोड़ा सा इशू हुआ था. बट समहाउ इन द एंड इट वर्कड आउट, सो आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी. बट इस वाले प्रोजेक्ट में क्या डिफरेंट है कि मैं ना पूरी कास्ट के साथ नहीं कनेक्ट हुई हूँ, बिकॉज मेरा घर ही डिफरेंट था. तो मायरी में क्या था कि हम सब एक घर में थे और हम सब मतलब it was so chaotic. तो मेरा इस स्टोरी में ना घर अलग है, तो मेरी इतनी शूटिंग डे सबके साथ थे नहीं, which I was really sad about. बट जो थे it was great, and most of the people I knew them before Parvarish. So I was also very excited about the cast because obviously it's Summer. I'm very good friends with Summer, and then I know the kids as well. I watched Abul's videos before.
Abul's so funny.
Yeah, Abul is so funny. I watched his videos. So I'm a big fan of his. Like I'm a very big fan of Abul. So when you first walked in, I was starstruck. I was like, oh my god, I watch you. And he was like, you watch me? I was like, yeah, you're lovely. So I had my, fan moment right there. So that was lovely. But so I was so excited to work with these people, and I was like, I want to go on set. Like I was waiting to go on that set because it's obviously such an intense story, and then I'm a very big part of it, which is lovely, and I get to work with these great people, and then obviously working under Meesam Bhai is always a pleasure. It's always a pleasure. मैं उनको ना एक्चुअली वर्ड्स में बता ही नहीं सकती वो कैसे अपने